I hope you are having a wonderful day today, and thank you so much for being here. So look, as much as I like the Galaxy Watches in general, well, I suppose you can tell from all my videos, we have to talk today. The latest update had an adverse effect on the battery life for many users, so much so that my Galaxy Watch 4 is now gone. Well, technically it is still here, but my battery is now dead after I updated my watch to the latest firmware version, which includes the new diagnostic tool. Look, I appreciate the new connected device diagnostic feature, but in this scenario, it is really no use to me any longer. I hear you. It could well be a one-off and stuff happens with tech, and fair enough. Listen to this. Well, sad to say, this release has done nothing for fixing my battery issue. Michael is talking about the latest release for your Galaxy Watch 4. Before the last two updates, I could run my watch all day long and only lose 50% battery. This has been very consistent. I actually felt the same. The previous updates helped my battery life for my Galaxy Watch 4, not this one, the ones before. Now, I don't make it a day without going dead. Well, lucky you, Michael, because my Galaxy Watch 4 doesn't even come back on anymore. Very disappointed. I don't run location, but I do run AOD, and I always have. I wake up at 5 a.m., put on watch at 100%, wear till about 8 p.m., at which point it is at 50%. This is before the update. Now, after the recent release. Now I am at 45%. And it's not even 4 p.m. yet, with 4 hours to go, and it won't make it disappointed. Samsung, please fix this. This is not a one-off. Many users have the same problem. Are you affected by bad battery life? Let me know. Share the video. The more people we are, the more noise we can make, and the more noise we make, the more chance we have to get it fixed and to be listened to. Thank you for watching. Peace out. I appreciate you.